This is the Elan Lock L5 that's on eBay right now. Wanted to kind of just go over a little bit, show you how it works. It has the 5-thread spools. So it's got the thread tree, all 3 spools in the back. The pedal. Everything's here. This thing is working. So it's got the tree, the thread tree. Go ahead and I'm just pushing it down a little bit right now. Goes a lot faster. But there it is. I'll probably take these off for shipping. They're just 2 screws, or 1 screw here and then 2 screws on the back. I just don't want them to get broken off in shipping. So I'll place that stuff inside of a Ziploc baggie so it doesn't get lost. But overall, it's in really good condition. So it'll be on eBay this coming Friday, I believe is the 21st. It'll probably go up somewhere around 3 or 4 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. Have a great day. Thanks for looking. Bye.